Today I'm going to be talking about these new gaming earbuds that just came out from Five Below. These look pretty cool. I tried them out. They sound okay. They sound pretty good actually for only being only $5 compared to my Bose headphones. And these are the ones, of course, you always see people that are doing TikToks and etc. holding these things up to their mouths. Well, now you get that little mic right there. I don't know how the mic sounds to be honest, but I have tried out the headphones and these do sound actually pretty good for $5. And so I'm going to go ahead and start opening it up. It actually has a good depth perception for you can hear when you're playing a video game that you can hear enemies coming around corners and stuff like that. It has good perception. You can hear exactly where your enemies are. Oops. I'm not sure what these are. These are probably for PC. Yeah, these are definitely PC wires. Here's a little audio jack. Here's the mic. Oops. Oopsie. Sorry. There. Well, it's $5. What do you expect? I opened it up and I kind of pushed it back in there. So, open it from the bottom. I wanted to try it out. Yeah, so these are those gaming headphones. They're only $5. Of course, like I already said, didn't mean to really repeat myself. Just trying to make sure everybody's clear on that. And I'll let you guys know if you guys leave in the comments if you're curious about what the audio sounds like for the mics. But it sounds pretty similar to the Bose headphones, except these would have obviously way more bass, way more treble, and everything else. The whole quality is different completely. But for $5, I mean, you get pretty good headphones.